What's up, bro? What's your YouTube name?
Soundstream Silverado.
Soundstream Silverado.
Yeah.
Nice. So everybody knows?
Can't change the name though. Well, not right now because I have too many subscribers.
Oh, you still have Soundstreams, huh?
Yeah.
Can I get a look at these?
Yeah, but how the seat doesn't go back. But you know, you can peek the camera around if you want.
Yeah. All right. So what do you got, bro?
3 CROSSFIRE XS version 218s, American bass 1100.1.
Nice.
A Selenium mids and highs.
The first thing I felt, my fucking something getting my balls.